Hi, so today and now I'm going to show you how to debone a chicken thigh, because again, chicken thighs are really juicy parts of the chicken, so they're really good for curries. They don't dry out so much, or if you're doing skewers, which is my plan later on today. So we've just jointed the chicken, so here are all the pieces of the chicken, and we're just going to have a little look at the thigh. In the shops they're a bit cheaper if they come with the bone in, so again, save the pennies, very easy to debone. So normally if you get them, they're sort of packaged up a bit like that, and you can just unroll them, and that's the bone in the middle there. So what I want to do is just find the point where the skin or the flesh on the bone is the thinnest, and just draw a straight line down it with the knife, just a small knife. And that will help me in a moment. And then you hold the bone up, and then it's got this little white bit where all the sinews join up, so you just want to cut around that to help you, and then you just want to peel it off the bone. So just using a knife, scrape down the bone, and let it help it come off the other side. Now on the other end there's another bigger part where the sinews meet, so we'll take care of that in just a moment. So here I can cut it off, and we can put that either into stock or give it to your dog, or discard it. And then here is the white bit that's really tough, so you want to always get rid of that bit as well. So, and again, just cut around it. And it looks a bit like that, so it's just a white fatty bit that you don't want. And then you're just left with the thigh. Now it's very easy to either skin the thigh if you don't want the skin, or if you're just roasting it, you can stuff it nicely, roll it up. Delicious. I'm skinning mine because I'm making skewers out of them later. So really easy to skin chicken. The skin just comes off in one nice fell swoop. Thank you for watching.